Okay, so now we're going to start building. We have our 2 foot by 3 foot piece here. We have our side pieces. You want the back and you want the 11 1/4 end to be on the side of the hole, on the back side. You also want to take into account, you want the good pieces, the good side to be on the outside of the board. So we have a good side here, and we don't want this on the outside, so we're going to put this one on the inside. So the other side looks much better. So the next step, we want to glue the edges. A nice thick bead. Place this on top. Grab a nail gun. Nail one side and move along to the other side. Make sure you don't shoot your fingers. It's very painful.
Sounds like you've done it before.
Yes, and I definitely learned from it. Okay, so next step is nail in the middle, and then you start splitting the middles. Okay, so now we attach one side, move on to the other side. Probably use a little bit less glue. See, I had a little bit of seepage. Make the line a little bit thinner. And move along to the other side. Now there's a perfect fit. Nail one end. Nail the other end. We have a little excess right here, but that can all be sanded off later. Then nail the middle. You can see it's kind of bowed right here, so you want to kind of push down a little bit. Get that first piece in to stabilize it, and then split the middles, and then keep splitting the middles.
About how many nails do you want to put in on each side?
I'd say about 10 to 15.
Okay.
About rod of nails. This is fairly simple. Put the right angle in, slide it in, put it all the way down, grab the release, and let it go. Alright, so we now have the side pieces attached. We want to move along to the next piece. This is my little measuring piece. I need a pencil. The measuring piece, something I came up with to make everything go a little faster. Gets all my outlines ready. Voila.
And the measuring piece, I take it, is the same size as the...
Roughly.
Okay.
I make it a little bit smaller so that it'll fit in between every set that we make. So now we want to measure our back piece. Okay, we have our edges, our measurements. We want to move along to the big boy, the Bosch TS3000. We do need to get a 15-degree down plane. So I gotta set this to 15 degrees. Alright. And now set up the guard so that I can cut this accordingly. Okay, now we're good. I'll lock it in place, turn it on. I also need to lower this just a little bit, because if you have it too high, it's going to start splintering. So you just want to have it just a little bit above the highest part of the wood.